Your comfort zone is literally a mental prison that you built yourself. Every single morning, when you open your eyes, you get handed a blank canvas to completely rewrite your entire story. But most people just hit snooze on their dreams instead. Here's what nobody tells you about success. It's not about having some perfect master plan mapped out with every detail figured out. That's actually what keeps people stuck forever, waiting for the stars to align perfectly. Success is about taking one messy, imperfect step forward when you have no clue what step 2 looks like. The crazy part is that your brain tricks you into thinking you have no options. It whispers lies about why you can't start that business, why you can't learn that skill, why you can't make that change. But that voice isn't protecting you. It's imprisoning you. Stop waiting for someone to give you permission to chase what you want. Nobody's coming to rescue you from your own excuses. Your future isn't being built by your plans or your dreams or your vision boards. It's being built right now by the tiny choices you're making today. The world is absolutely overflowing with opportunities. But here's the thing that'll blow your mind. They only become visible when you get brave enough to actually look for them. When you're hiding in your comfort zone, opportunities are invisible. They're there, but your scared brain filters them out. Every expert was once a complete beginner who decided to start anyway. Every successful person was once exactly where you are right now, staring at the same choice. Stay comfortable and stay the same, or get uncomfortable and transform everything. The only real prison is the one you refuse to walk out of.